Since that post existed, anti-melody force has become more influence. Then what will be happen? Watch it in Today News.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Bilderberg government. Since this post and this video released and pointed out that Melody is a Melody's image has become unprecedented bad. In order to destroy every My Melody in the world and eliminate the incumbent president of Bilderberg who loves My Melody too much. A few minutes ago, the hackers of Anti-Melody organization were hacked the missile systems of the People's Republic of China and launched 5 nuclear missiles to the following place in the world: Tokyo, London, Maryland County, Liberia, State of Maryland, United States. It also affected Washington, D.C. and Bilderberg. Everyone please seek fallout shelter immediately. If you can't find any fallout shelter, you can try to hide inside of the basement or subway station. Make sure you have enough food and drink. Bring a battery-powered radio for the latest news during in the shelter. If you can, please bring some useful tools, such as first aid kit, gas mask, map and some weapon. Please stay inside of the shelter until further notice. This maybe is the last message of Bilderberg. And now, we will play the national anthem. Maybe this is the last time.